Kia ora koutou. This is part 7 in the Putting in the Mahi video series, the study plan. I really hope you found these videos helpful about putting in the mahi. I've made this little study plan as an example on how you might like to organise your week to make the most of your new learning. Having a study plan might seem like making more work for yourself, but if you really want to get the most out of your learning, whether it's Te Reo Māori or any other topic you're learning about, then there are a lot of benefits to having a plan. The old saying, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail, really is true. So he hanga painga, what are the benefits? A study plan makes you more likely to put in the mahi. If you put in the mahi, you'll retain what you learn. If you retain what you learn, you'll get better. And if you get better, you'll be heaps more motivated to put in the mahi and carry on. So here's an outline of the plan. This is based on the review points in the forgetting curve, but you can easily make up your own time frame. Day 0 is the day that you first learn some new information, and that's when you'll want to record it. On day 1, you should do something to go over the learning again. On day 3, return to the learning again, and then on day 6, review it. Day 0 is about recording the information. It's totally up to you how you do this based on your preferred learning style, but it will definitely help if you have somewhere to look over the notes or the learning at a later date. I prefer to take notes because I'm a text-based learner. But kei a koe te tikanga, it's 100% up to you how you record your learning. Here's some ideas for you. The day after the initial learning is day 1. This is the time where you need to go over the learning again and repeat it somehow. Here's some ideas for you on how you can do that. And again, if you want some more information about these, have a look at the video about graphic organisers. Day 3 is a good time to do a practice activity. Here's some ideas on how you can do that. Have another look at the video about practice activities if you want some more information, or just go for it. When you get to day 6, it's a great time to review your learning. You can find a way to test yourself, see what you've remembered, and maybe have a little think about what you'd like to do next. And maybe start planning your next steps. How you do this is completely up to you, and it shouldn't be a chore. So choose the activity from the review activities video that work for you, and here's the list for you to choose from. I've made this overview for you as an example of what your study plan might look like. I've uploaded this to the Tukua Te Reo website and the Google Classroom, as well as a blank template that you can use to make your own plan. I hope you find a way to put the mahi in a way that works for you, that it's fun, and that the ideas I've shared are helpful for you on your learning journey. So mena he pātai a koutou, pātai mai. Please let me know if you have any questions. Ngā mihi nui ki a koutou katoa. Kia ora.